On this quick video guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat common problems. First thing, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So what you want to do is scroll until you find Snapchat and click on it, and then click on this for stop here, and then go to the permissions. Make sure to enable every permission right here, and then go back and go to the data usage right here, as you can see. And now all what you want to do here, make sure to enable all the options and disable only the roaming data. Go back and now click on the storage, click on clear data, clear cache, and the last thing you want to do now is make sure to update your Snapchat in the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Don't forget to like, subscribe.